Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from principal annuity payments step by step clearly. To withdraw from your principal annuity payments, begin by reviewing your annuity contract. Locate the section detailing withdrawal options and penalties. Make note of any terms related to surrender charges. Contact your principal account representative for assistance. They will provide insights specific to your annuity plan. Prepare any necessary identification documents for verification. Decide how much you wish to withdraw from your annuity funds. Consider the impact of this withdrawal on your overall financial goals. Fill out the required withdrawal form provided by Principal. Double-check that all your information is accurate and complete. Submit the completed form along with any required documentation. Keep a copy of the submitted form for your records. Await confirmation of your withdrawal request from Principal. This may take several business days, so be patient. Once approved, you will receive your funds through your chosen method. Monitor your account to ensure the withdrawal is processed correctly. Review your remaining annuity balance and adjust your financial plan if necessary. If you have any questions during this process, do not hesitate to reach out to your financial advisor. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw from your principal annuity payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.